Hey there, I'm the Nomad Brad, and I want to show you something really cool. You're on this page because you clicked a link that somehow involved Builderall. So I want to show you explain to you what Builderall is and show you how you can get some really cool bonuses offered only on this page. So let's jump into it. Now, first off, Builderall is essentially a marketing tool platform. The main tool that most people use is a landing page software, so you can build landing pages really quickly and that look amazing. Also, there are dozens of other templates for things like entire sales funnels. It helps you to integrate with payment processing services, so you can sell your products all through one service, basically. Also, there are dozens of other marketing tools as well. I think there are over 20. I'll show you a couple of things, like how it works real quick. And there's also a really cool affiliate marketing opportunity by promoting Builderall as well. So I'll talk about all those in the next just couple of seconds here. Just give you a brief intro. Builderall helps you build websites, helps you build landing pages, opt-in pages, squeeze pages, sales funnels, upsells, downsells, all that stuff is all built into the platform. And here's an example of a page. Might look very similar to the one you're on right now. I built this page in Builderall. It took me maybe half an hour or so. It's certainly not the most beautiful page ever created, but it has made me a decent amount of money. And so that's just one example. But there are, like I said, lots of different templates for many different businesses and lots of different industries, in traditional brick and mortar style businesses and also internet marketing businesses. You can see here some of the templates that come included: video sales letter, invisible funnel, product launches, membership sites. You can build an entire membership site in Builderall. You can build a store for an e-commerce thing. There's integration with Shopify, Summit funnel, lead magnets if you're doing lead generation, homepage if you want to build a blog, webinars. There's a webinar hosting service included, and squeeze page, bridge funnel, all the funnels that you need to run a business online these days. They're included as templates, and you can use the drag and drop editor to build all of them. So that's sort of the main thing that Builderall is, and that's pretty awesome on its own. But there are a number of other. There's also training inside of Builderall as well. There's a really cool feature of how to build funnels in about one click, like this. Lots of really cool features. So that's the number one thing that Builderall is sort of built for, is creating websites and sales funnels and landing pages. It's also all self-hosted, so you don't have to worry about hosting your website and anything like that. It's hosted on their lightning fast servers. You can get an example here of what the editor looks like. Again, it's a drag and drop editor, so it doesn't take coding skill to edit your web page. You can just click and drag things around. You can move them wherever you want. If you want to add something, it's very simple to just add this video, resize it, move it over here. All this stuff makes building websites and sales funnels ridiculously simple and easy. But it also, so that's kind of the main thing that's included in one level of the service, which is extremely affordable, especially in comparison to other softwares out there that are like it. But if you upgrade to the main level program, there are also a number of apps that come with it as well, including an entire email marketing platform. It's called Mailing Boss. It's an autoresponder service, so it can help you set up all the email marketing stuff you need, all contained, so you don't have to get a different service to do all of your email marketing. Basically, you can run an entire business and maybe multiple businesses, many businesses, from inside of Builderall. There's also a number of apps here. Where'd those apps go? Oh yeah. So it comes with a number of apps if you upgrade to the standard level service. browser notification tool to have little like browser notifications pop up for people. SEO on-page report tools to give you some SEO guidance for search engine optimization. Click map, I've used that a lot to optimize web pages. You install this little bit of code, and then the Builderall click map tool will keep track of where people are going on your website and show you with a heat map, so you can figure out what things are important to your website visitors, which ones are not. And that's just a completely independent tool. It's literally a tool you would pay a monthly subscription for outside of Builderall, but it's included. A chat review tool. They have some chatbots, Facebook chatbot service, which again you would have to pay another subscription to another service for. At one of the service levels, I'll explain that in a second here. E-learning, so you can build a membership site with that. Script generator, there's copywriting scripts built into Builderall, so if you don't want to go and spend 10 years learning how to write good copy, you can just use the script generator to generate sales letters, ad scripts, etc. in just a few minutes, probably a few seconds. So there's another number of apps here. There's one that helps you an app that helps you build apps, so you can publish apps on like the Google Play or Apple or Amazon store for mobile devices. You can build an app in less than an hour. That's all included. There's just a ton of different tools are included as well. So you've got all the templates for building any sort of sales funnel or web page that you would want in a modern online business. You've got a drag and drop website editor, marketing training included, all these tools. If you get at least the standard plan, then you have a full email marketing software included. And on top of that, there's also a really awesome affiliate marketing program with Builderall. So you can learn more about that if you click the link on this page and check it out. But you can see I've made a decent amount of money and continue to make monthly recurring revenue, since this is a subscription service. Each person that I recommend to Builderall, I make a commission for as long as they stay signed up. So it's one of the best affiliate programs out there, in my opinion. So all of that is Builderall. And on this page that you're on right now, if you're interested in any or all of those things, I want to offer you a special bonus for signing up through my link. It's my affiliate link on this page. So if you do sign up, then you'll be signed up through me. And so I want to thank you for that, because I do make a commission for as long as you end up signing up for Builderall. So I definitely want to thank you for taking that action and signing up through my link. So here are a number of bonuses I want to provide. Number one, a one-on-one Skype coaching call. Normally I charge at least $200 for this, and I just want to get on the phone with you, help you figure out where you want to go with your business, how Builderall can help you with that, how my experience, almost 10 years in the internet marketing world, being part of some of the most successful companies out there, could perhaps help guide you and get you going in the right direction. So that's included. A Builderall affiliate marketing course built by one of the best Builderall affiliates in the world. I actually signed up to Builderall through him, and so you get access. Because I'm signed up through him, he allowed anybody who signs up through me to get access to his amazing affiliate marketing course. Like I said, he's one of the best in the world at it. He's made lots of money, so you can check that out. Also, I'm going to include some MP3 audio interviews that I've done with other successful marketers. The first one is called Email Marketing Secrets: How to Build a Profitable Email List, from someone who has worked behind the scenes for several multi-million-dollar email lists and built six-figure email lists on his own. And Opt-in Secrets, in this interview we talk about the things that we've seen, the common mistakes that people make when they're trying to build a list with opt-ins. They're pretty easy to fix, and if you do, then it can dramatically increase your results. So that's included. The 33 Laws of Internet Marketing Success. It's our thoughts and observations of things that we've seen over the years. Like I said, working behind the scenes of multi-million-dollar internet marketing companies. What's the difference between the ones, the campaigns that are successful and the ones that are losers? We've seen both sides. So we go in deep on that topic in this product. And also, you get to join my affiliate marketing group on Facebook, so you can actually, have personal a way to personally reach out to me after our, coaching call, and also over 500 other affiliate marketers out there to discuss strategies that are working right now and how to, if you're interested in affiliate marketing or digital marketing in general. So all those things add up to over $800 in bonuses, and you get it for free when you upgrade to any of the paid Builderall plans by just clicking this button that you see on the page, and then going over here, you will see the Builderall kind of sales page, and they offer several different plans. You can, read over this, see all the full features. I just barely got into the, some of the features of Builderall. So if you want to explore all of the different features, go to this page, and you can see there's 3 different plans here. The web presence plan is only $9.90 a month, which is pretty amazing. If you're comparing it to other softwares out there, this is a crazy deal for all those features. So at the $9.90 a month level, you get access to the Pixel Perfect Builder, which I showed you. The drag and drop editor. You get unlimited pages and subdomains. You get unlimited professional e-commerce. You can connect to one domain. So that's kind of the limitation, or one of the limitations of that plan, is you can connect to one domain. So if you want to have different domains for different clients or different businesses that you have, then you're going to want to upgrade to one of the other plans, but you get the full access to the builder. You can build as many pages as you want, plenty to, build as many sales funnels as you want under one domain, which is pretty amazing. Unlimited bandwidth and visitors. Other softwares don't offer this at such a ridiculously affordable cost. Third-party integrations, that's like with email, autoresponder services and things like that. SSTP, I actually don't know what that is. Premium local hosting and ticketing support system. So you get access to their support. So this one, the digital marketing plan, is the sort of standard plan. This is where you get all the stuff mentioned before, the Pixel Perfect Builder, unlimited email marketing. So you get access to the email marketing platform at just $30 a month. At least at this time. The prices may change when you're looking at it, but you also get unlimited e-commerce. You get all the apps that I mentioned, the SEO tool, the heat map tool, etc. Unlimited pages and domains. Connect up to 15 domains. So if you're running an agency or you are running multiple businesses, unlimited bandwidth, of course, third-party integrations, premium local hosting, and ticket support system. And then finally, the Builderall business plan. You get all the tools and the apps. You get unlimited email marketing. By the way, the email marketing platform is unlimited. You can send as many emails as you want, collect as many leads as you want, all for the same price forever, which is pretty crazy. Unlimited professional e-commerce, webinar, and streaming platform. So you get access to the webinar tool. You can replace any other webinar tool you're using. A Facebook Messenger chatbot. You can replace chatbot tools that you're using. Auto post manager tools. I think that's a social media marketing thing. Affiliate marketplace. So you get access to that. Builderall business community. Unlimited pages and domains and subdomains. You can connect up to 15 domains. Unlimited bandwidth. Unlimited visitors to all your landing pages. And by the way, I've tested Builderall's load speed. It's really, really fast. Check it out on GT Metrics. It's awesome. Premium local and CDN hosting and ticketing support system. So not only do you get all of those things, whichever plan works for where you're at in your business right now, but if you sign up through the link on this page by clicking on one of these yellow buttons that says Upgrade Now, just click on that. It'll take you over to this page through my affiliate link, and if you sign up, then you will automatically, I will contact you pretty quickly, as quickly as I can, and we can set up a one-on-one 30-minute Skype coaching call or Zoom or whatever to talk about your business, and let me see how I can provide value and help you get to the next level of what you're looking for, how Builderall fits into that. You get access to a $497 Builderall affiliate marketing course by one of the best Builderall affiliates in the world. He shares, done for you. He has done for you email swipes, done for you funnels, landing pages that have made a lot of affiliate sales for him, and you get access to that through signing up through my link. Email marketing secrets, opt-in secrets, the 33 laws, and access to my Facebook group. So altogether, over $813 of bonuses. And also, on top of that, you get access to this really awesome marketing platform and website and landing page builder. So that's the deal I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and click one of those buttons, and I will see you on our coaching call.